Hello everyone, Peter Newman with you. This week in AHRI Insight we're talking about the new herbicide Luxamax from BASF, which has the active synmethylin. Roberto Buzzi's been researching this product in recent years. Now, it used to be easy. When we had new herbicides come to market, we could just look at what group of herbicide they're from, and if they're from a different group, rotate to that group. But in recent years, we've found this cross-resistance, this metabolic cross-resistance, which goes across groups of herbicides. So we can no longer simply look at the group. We need to test the new herbicide over some of our multiple resistant ryegrass that we have. And that's exactly what Roberto Buzzi has done in this study. He tested Luxamax in two ways. One way, he tested over 130 ryegrass populations from the WA wheat belt and found it gave good control of them. He also tested it against a few populations of really resistant ryegrass, some of the ryegrass that he has bred through recurrent selection in the lab. You've already heard about it. It's the ryegrass that is resistant to Sakura, Boxer Gold, Avidex and Jewel Gold, that cross-resistant, multiple resistant ryegrass, and found that Luxamax gave good control of that as well. So when we talk about new herbicides these days, we at AHRI have developed these boxes, rotate between the boxes. In one big blue box in the middle, we've got a number of our pre-emergent herbicides, even though some of them are from different groups. Now, the good news is it's synmethylin, so Luxamax gets its own box. It will be out on its own. It will be a good product to mix, rotate and double knock with. Also in this research, Roberto confirmed that wheat tolerates Luxamax through P450 enzymes. He used a P450 inhibitor to turn off the P450s and then found that affected the dose response. Also, as it says on the label, Luxamax needs to be, the wheat needs to be sown a few centimetres below the herbicide band. Roberto did a little bit of work on that as well, where Luxamax was applied directly to the wheat seed. It reduced emergence. So as the label says, we need to separate Luxamax from the wheat seed a little bit by sowing below that herbicide band. So some good news. We've got a new herbicide and it's going to be very useful across our multiple resistant ryegrass that we already have in Australia. So for more information, check out AHRI Insight.